Hey, this is a tutorial on how to do a push-up, and it starts like this. Clapping push-ups. Yes, explode, explode. Oh, let's do strict, regular push-ups. I know. Single arm push-ups is the next step. And then after we do our single arm push-ups, we're gonna do some diamond tricep push-ups. Bring those fingers together. Yup. And once we get these, now we're gonna do our Chinese push-up or our Hindi push-up. What? No, that's not how we begin. Let's check it out. We're gonna start with form. Line is straight, shoulders, hips, and knees. Suck in the tummy muscles, clench your glutes, and flex your kneecaps. Maintain this straight line through the push-up. That is our push-up form. Common mistake, people have a weak core or chest and their butt sticks out. Now this is a real push-up actually. It's called an eagle push-up, but it's not what we're going for, okay? So don't do it, because it makes me sick. Now, how do we fix that? Well, to look like this, we're gonna start with something called eccentric load or negative push-ups, where you go down in a perfect position for 8 to 12 seconds till you get to the bottom. If pushing up means that your core sags, do not do it. If you're coming up in a perfect push-up form, you're ready to progress. When you can do 10 eccentric push-ups perfectly, go ahead and go to a lower box or a bench. As long as you maintain that perfect form, you're good. Now, if you cannot push up, look, I just dropped my knees and I pop back up. Okay, let's do it one more time. When you come down with perfect form, 8 to 12 seconds. And if when you get to that bottom to push up means you sag your core, don't. Instead, just drop your knees and recover. Now, you're actually not supposed to go up in the push-up when you do this. I actually just need you to do perfect form, going down as slow as possible, and then take a small recovery, 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and then do it again. I'll have the instructions and the progression at the very end of this video. But one more time, slow, strong, solid, especially right here at this lower part. And there you have it. Let's go.